Hi guys, I actually wanted to do this video for a while now, but I was like crying all the time, so it didn't really make sense. I want to share this experience that I had a few weeks ago. I heard mom shouting, "Look, there's a monkey!" And I was like upstairs, like, what? What are you talking about?
Come on, see, look at me. Hello. Look, we have a monkey here.
It was the craziest thing ever, right? I mean, who would ever expect a monkey to appear? And he's like this little, small, I think wildlife said it was like a Venezuelan monkey, because I sent some pictures. Probably somebody's pet, but like that's illegal like in Trinidad, but nobody's doing anything about it. We didn't really know what to do, so we just contacted my sister, who's like an environmentalist. Then she contacted wildlife, and they said that they would come, but they never did. Nobody really ever called back or was concerned or said try to see if we could get the monkey. Nothing like that. I started to call because the monkey kept coming back, because we were actually giving him bananas and fruits. He was a bit dependent on us to feed him. He was kind of friendly because he's letting us twirl his hand and play with him and touch him. So then wildlife eventually told us to call, it's best that we just call the zoo because they're busy and they have things going on the weekend and whatever. I decided to call the zoo, and the zoo said that they would come. They take my name and address and everything, and nobody ever showed, nobody ever called. And then eventually it was like, what are we gonna do, because this monkey's here. It's definitely not safe for it to be around, because like neighbors were talking about it not being safe to be around their kids, and they don't want it here. You can't keep it as a pet, it's illegal. So I was like torn as to what the best thing to do was. Eventually they just told me it's best if I could try to get it in a cage, because if they come, he will run away. So then eventually he let me. I don't know why, but the monkey like trusted me or something, and he genuinely liked me. I have no idea. So eventually like I was able to cut the rope around his belly. It was so tight and it was so upsetting. It was scary. It's like I don't want to hurt him. There were 4 thick pieces of rope around his belly. Hey, I helped you. Okay, how are we getting him to the zoo? We need to get him in a cage, and one day he just didn't show up for the entire day, so we got worried that because we have dogs around the area, and we were worried that the dogs killed him, because the neighbors said that their dogs killed one recently. So I don't know who's harboring monkeys around here, but it's like, you need to stop doing that. I mean, come on, leave them alone. They need to be in the wild where they belong. And he just like came up to me, and he was just lying down on the cloth, so I gently like lifted him, and he got up when he realized that he was moving, but I said, no, it's okay, don't move, please. So he just sat there, and then he just lay back down, and then I just gradually like put him into the cage and kind of like pushed him off of the cloth. I already had a cloth in the cage, and newspaper and whatever, and water and a little banana thing. So sad, because I didn't know if I was doing the right thing. And he trusted me. I've been trying to like contact the zoo to find out how the monkey is, if he's okay, ever since I took him there like a month ago, and nobody has called me back. Nobody is telling me anything about him. Monkey, say bye-bye. Bye, monkey. I put him in the front seat so he'll feel more comfortable seeing me. Hopefully the zoo will take good care of him. I just want what's best for you, monkey. I just want what's best for you. I just want to make sure that he's okay. If you ever go to the zoo, ask about him. Ask about the monkey. So anyway, that's my little story. I hope you liked it. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.